So guys, this is the front brake. This is the caliper, the disc brake. We just need to loosen this up. Also this. So you can see both the brake pads inside. So what you need to do is you can loosen this up. This one, same Allen. Loosen it. There you go. This one is also magnet. Poking. So this is the brake pads inside. This is the brake pads. This one as well. You can get a smaller Allen like this one. So you can just remove this. There you go. So you have two brake pads. Then what you need to do is you can clean this using Joy. You can clean the brake pads using Joy or this one. So I'm using like Smart. Clean up the dirt. So dry your brake pads using just a tissue. It's dry enough, we can put it back. Putting it back is easy. So you can adjust your brake pads like this. You see, it's too close to each other, so you just need to loosen it a bit. And you can check here, and then you can put on the disc brake. So it's so tight, I need to loosen a bit. Put back the screw. You can also clean the disc brake. You can use Joy for cleaning it. Yeah, that's it. That's how you clean the squeaky sound from the brake.